Welcome back to English Square, my friends. Take a deep breath for a moment. This is not just another video. This is a small journey to help your heart feel lighter. Maybe you're holding on to something right now. A person, a memory, a mistake, or a regret. Maybe your mind keeps returning to the same painful thoughts again and again. If that sounds familiar, this message is for you. And if you are learning English, this video will help you too. Because here you are not only listening to English words, you are listening to real emotions and real life. Now let me ask you something. Why is it so hard to let go? Why do we keep checking messages that were never answered? Why do we replay old memories like movies even when they hurt us? The reason is simple. Deep inside, we believe that letting go means losing. We think it means failure. We think it means we are weak. But the truth is different. Letting go is not weakness. Letting go is strength. Imagine you are holding a glass of water. At first, it feels light. But if you hold it for hours, your arm begins to hurt. If you hold it for days, your whole body becomes tired. The glass did not become heavier, but your body was never meant to carry it forever. Pain works the same way. At first, we think we can handle it, but over time, it slowly breaks us. Let me tell you about Mia. Mia was in a relationship for 4 years. She gave her love, time, and energy, but the other person never gave the same effort back. Still, she stayed, hoping things would change. But nothing changed. Slowly, Mia stopped meeting friends. She stopped doing the things she loved. One day, she looked in the mirror and didn't recognize herself. That was the moment she walked away. People said she gave up. They said she should have tried harder. But Mia wasn't weak. She was finally strong enough to stop breaking herself for someone who would never change. That is what letting go means. Letting go does not mean the past didn't matter. It simply means you decided to protect your peace. Here is another truth. Not everything in life is meant to last forever. Some people come into our lives only for a season. They teach us something important, maybe self-respect, patience, or boundaries. And when the lesson is finished, their chapter ends. Just like seasons change, relationships can change too. Letting go does not erase the love. It simply allows the story to continue. Sometimes we also wait for closure. We want an apology. We want someone to explain why they hurt us. But many times that moment never comes. And the truth is, you don't need their permission to move forward. Closure is something you give yourself. You accept the ending, even without answers, and you choose peace. Another painful truth is this. Sometimes you can love someone and still let them go. Love alone is not always enough. People grow, dreams change, paths become different. Letting go does not mean the love was fake. It simply means the future is no longer the same. And remember something important. Letting go is not a single moment. It is a daily choice. Some days you will feel strong. Other days the memories will return. That is normal, that is healing. But every day you choose peace, you move a little closer to freedom. If you're still listening right now, I want to tell you something. I know you have carried a lot of silent pain. Memories you never shared, goodbyes you never got to say, but you are still here, still breathing, still trying, and that is strength. You are not your past, you are not what left, you are not your mistakes, you are what remains, and what remains is powerful. If this message touched your heart, subscribe to English Square. This channel is a home for real stories, deep emotions, and simple English that helps you grow in life. And if you know someone who is struggling to let go, share this video with them. It might be exactly what they need today. Until next time, take a deep breath, let go, and trust. Your next chapter is already waiting.